Hi guys, as you saw from that video at the front, we in my local store we have got a vending machine, and I decided to pick up this little fellow. And so we're going to open up a Black Bolt Elite Trainer box and see what we can get from it. So we'll see about this, and hope you enjoy it. I've heard there's some really good hits in Black Bolt and White Flare. They didn't have White Flare in the vending machine. However, they did have Black Bolt. Here's the player's guide. Let's see some, because I know they've got a bunch of special illustrations, like they got Snivy, Superior, Pansage, Simisage, Daramaka. I would love that Darmanitan. I know I've pulled that Simipour. Oh my god, Palpitoad. Oh, that Seismitoad looks awesome as well. But yeah, as you can see, there's quite a few of them. Like that Ordino looks quite good, and then obviously the rare ones, which are N, Genesect, Victini, Zekrom, and some others. Anyway, let's get into the part we all want to see. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 packs of Black Bolt, which is very cool. You get some cool sleeves. Yeah, I think I've opened one of these boosters before because I have those. I have my own sleeves. You get this really awesome Enel cut. Sorry, I'm way too much into One Piece, and I heard someone say that they call their Thunderous cards Enel, so I accidentally slipped up and called the Thunderous here Enel. Anyway, you get this really awesome. Oh no, that's not good. It's a bit bent on one side. See. Anyway, you get this cool Enel card. No, I did it again. See, and this is what I'm talking about. Because I'm so used to someone saying they, yeah, but you get this cool Thunderous one, and it's really awesome. You also get a stack of energies if you're into the card game, and pins and dice. These ones are black and blue because of Zekrom right here. Anyway, let's get on to opening the cards, and hopefully we get some good hits. Let me just sort this up. An awesome place to store it. Keep that in the back. First one. I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. I would like to say don't forget to subscribe, because as we all know, this is a new channel with barely any subscribers. So I just wanted to say, if you want the code, that's it. And we starting off with a Carablast, a Golett, a Poniard, a Tynamo, Ends Plan, Cryogonal, Behem, a Hollow Axle, a Minchino, and a Landorus to go with my Thunderous. We just need to do pull Tornadus, and then we have the trilogy, Well, technically, we also need to pull a Namarus, but she got kicked out of the group when Legends Arceus came out. Sorry. This is going to be unedited because I like when things like this, if they don't do well, then yeah. Anyway, there's the code, and we've got a Pidove, Whirlipede. That looks awesome. I love that. Hiding in a tree. And then we got Gerda, Fungus, Simipour, Ends Plan, Chinchino, Hollow Duosion, Hollow Dynamo, and Genesect EX. Let's see. Metallic Signal and Protect Charge. Nice. Gonna put that in a sleeve. 220 HP. That's actually not bad. For steel types, like obviously Wailord has the biggest HP because it's a massive tank, but B, it's like one of those joking ones where it's like, yeah, let's give it 400 HP. Wait a second. Oh, I felt it and I was like, oh my god, is this a god pack? But no, it's Axial, Snivy, Muna, Dwebble, Professor's Research, Simisage, Crocodile, Hollow Terratuga, and Pokeball Ends Plan, and Klinklang. Not too shabby. Yep. Anyway, guys, I've got some news about the Japanese sets coming up. They are going to be arriving in when this video is being recorded, but I probably won't get a chance to do too much about it until next week or maybe even the week after. There's the code, and also I'm letting this one sit until Pokemon Day, seeing as for when this recording is, it is tomorrow, so it's gonna be awesome. Hope you have hope you enjoyed what they have said. I unfortunately won't be reacting to it on another channel because I've got a job as well as this, but yeah. Oh, Snivy and Volcarona. Anyone else remember when Volcarona was only available in like a little section of black and white? It was pretty cool. Everyone thought it was a legendary, which is kind of cool. Haven't pulled any illustration rares, but it's pretty cool. Also, I know some YouTubers do pocket videos. I can't get onto my pocket, so unfortunately I won't be able to do that. Oh no. I thought we were gonna get all three of them. That would be an awesome one. But Bishop, Prism Energy, Hollow Klinklang. Oh, throw. Hold on. Oh, Beartic. But dude, that throw, that's awesome. If I do end up finding White Flare somewhere, I'll I'll try and see if I can get an ETB of that, and we'll kind of see which one is kind of better. But I know some art. Ooh, some arts are different to others. That did not come out as well as I would have liked. Okay. There's the code card. I don't know if people actually play the card game or not. Yeah, online, I mean. I know people play the card game on, like, this sort of thing. Munna, Simisage, Whirlipede, Hologolurk, and wait. Oh, nice. Hollow Energy. Wait. No, that's different. Putting him at the back. I should have put him at the back at the start, but yeah. Anyway, we're doing actually pretty good. I can't wait to see what the Japanese set is like, or if I will record getting a freaking God pack or not. And there's the QR code, and Flip, Fracture, Mincino, Timber. Oh, I thought she was carving it into the square one, and I was like, oh, maybe. Pokeball Zoosis, a Caracosta, and a Superior. That's very good. Yeah, have a look. It's actually pretty good. Superior EX is not a bad shout. I remember when I first started playing the games when Black and White had come out. So I had started playing Black and White, and then I think I played Black and White too, but I didn't do too much about it. QR code. And yeah, and there wasn't really much else going on. So, and I remember I played my first ever starter on that game was Snivy, even though I'm now more into Emboar and other stuff. Emboar and Tepig. It's kind of like, woo, what could go on here? Fungus and a Conkeldurr. It's very nice. Reminds me of a comic artist style. Pretty good. And now we're on to the final pack. I don't know if I want to, like, you know, save some of the Black and White Japanese and then switch it around and do two episodes two episodes of Black versus White, or do 3 episodes, one half a box of black, one half a box of white, and then the third one would end up being Japanese Black versus White. Or if you wanted to fully go on it, you could just do white and black as the sets. So it could be like that. There we go. Pokeball Klinklang, Electros, and Haxorus. That's a very good one. Well, thank you. These are the hits we got: Superior, Genesect, and a Full Art Throw. And the card that came with the set was Enel. I've done it again. I'm so used to someone calling their Thundurus Enel, and so I just end up calling it. Man. And Thundurus. I hope you enjoy this video. It's going to come out on Pokemon Day, and in the next couple of weeks you'll get Japanese Black and White and Inferno X, which is Mega Evolution, and if I can find any other things, I'll do that.